In this video, we are going to solve the equation 2 sine squared x is equal to 1 minus the sine of x. And here we need to realize that this equation is of quadratic type. If we let u equal the sine of x, this equation becomes two u squared is equal to 1 minus u. And so we can solve this new modified equation by writing this in standard form, right? With standard form, we would have 2u squared plus u is equal minus 1 is equal to 0. So there's standard form. And then we want to think about either factoring or use quadratic formula. And this one we can ask ourselves, what are the factors of negative 2 that add together to give 1? We would have this factors as 2u minus 1 and u plus 1. And the third step would be to set each factor to 0. We would have 2u minus 1 is equal to 0, or u plus 1 is equal to 0. And solving, we get u equal to 1/2, or u is equal to negative 1. And now the final step is to go back to the original variable and reintroduce the sign. We would have the sine of x is 1/2, or the sine of x is negative 1. And here we need to again recall the unit circle. So once again, here's our unit circle. And where does the sine equal 1/2? Sine equal 1/2 occurs in the first quadrant at pi over 6. And in the second quadrant at 5 pi over 6. So we would have two solutions to the first equation. The sine of x is equal to 1/2 gives us x is pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or x is 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. And now we're going to work with that second equation that we generated. Where does the sine of x equal negative 1? Well, the sine is equal to negative 1 when x is 3 pi halves, or if we want, negative pi halves. So we would have the second equation as general solution given by x is 3 pi halves plus 2k pi, or if we like, negative pi halves plus 2k pi.